So we're trying the new vegan cheese sauce with the nacho fries from Taco Bell. They've never had vegan cheese, at least at ours. This just came out. I have a chalupa too, which I don't think I've ever had. Mine has potatoes, black beans, and rice. The most basic is basic. But it smells like regular. It has a little bit of a kick to it. Probably on my husband's scale, it'd be like a 0, but for me, it's like a 3. It was good though. I let my 2-year-old, almost 3-year-old like shit. Aria, did you try the cheese sauce?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Let's get a 5-year-old's perspective.
Give it a try, sweetie.
Try it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
It's good.
You like
It's
it, right?
cheese.
Anyway, quick review. We really like it. I don't want it to be limited edition. Potatoes came back. I want the cheese sauce to be permanent too. It was really messed up with the potatoes going out. That was the only thing we could eat. And vegan meat next, or vegan meat next, which I've heard is at some Taco Bells. It's vegan, Liv. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to Bob's Life if you want some quick reviews on vegan. I'm Brianna, and
I'm Rob.
So together we're Bob and Aria.